Sanibonani ke babukeli beDurban Network podcast emakhaya ngiyabingelela ngiphinde nginamukeleke ohlelweni lethu lezemidlalo iDurban Network Sports Avenue igama kusithokoziso kaNtshangase. Please do follow us on all our socials. It is Durban Network podcast on TikTok, YouTube and Facebook. I'm not alone namhlanje ke e-studio. Nginobhungane uHadebe. Bhuti wami, welcome.
Sawubona Ntshangase, sanibonani baleli nani babukeli. Bafethu asubscribe beni la before siqale yonke lento. Ngiyabonga kakhulu sesukuma la.
Abagqugquzeleka abantu kundingo okuseza, kukhulu okuseza. Kusizohlangana nje kakhulu kulolu hlelo. Sizokhuluma ngeAfcon. Sizokhuluma ngeWorld Cup.
Siminyaminya.
Kuningi. iBetway, luseludu uhambo. Nje sokusekuningi esizokubheka. So abantu abenze njalo ukuthi nje ba subscriber awusali akukho okusala ngemuva kwezemidlalo nje iDurban Network iphethe nathi futhi usiphethe
samba phambili
injalo
ayikho enye samba phambili.
So namhlanje ke Bhungane ngizokuthanda ukuthi sibheke kakhulu lapha yana ke sizoba ne big game la eThekwini. Kuzoba khona iKZN Derby kune Durban City namaZulu. So amaZulu home game bazulalela eMozambique Stadium. Mhlasimbe masibheka le fixture amaZulu sokhumbula ukuthi before iFIFA break bebengenzi kahle hle uzokhumbula ukuthi kwi culling baphumile.
Yeah, true.
Yes. And bazokhompyutha ne side eli very strong. iDurban City is very strong. So ikuphi mhlawumbe singakubheka isikakhulukazi esidini lamaZulu ukuthi mhlawumbe ikuphi mhlawumbe umangethe la mhlawumbe ngazama ukushintsha khona mhlawumbe ngazama uqinisa khona iziphi mhlawumbe inguquko noma ama changes esingazama ukuthi mhlawumbe esikahlambe ngisela ukuthi mhlawumbe iqembu lamaZulu ukuze mhlawumbe ngendlela mhlawumbe elingashaya ngayo noma elingazama ukuthi lidlule ngayo kuDurban City ikuphi mhlawumbe ngazama ukuthi kulungiseke.
Bafethu okokuqala nje siqale siyibonge leDurban City. Durban City idlala kakhulu.
Yeah.
You remember that Kevin Hunt is one of the best coaches in South Africa.
True, yes.
Umunye wa coach abawine league more than 3 times. Kulandelelana Kevin Hunt loyo. So iqembu lakhe iDurban City lenza kahle kakhulu. Liza eThekwini izodlala namaZulu which is home game yamaZulu. AmaZulu wenze kahle. Uyakhumbula ukuthi amaZulu enze inguquko eningi. AmaZulu they had abadlali last season and the other season they had abadlali that were over 30. So babakhiphile wonke abadlali abaningi. So baqala kabusha. So hence uyiboni iprogress yamaZulu isiza kancane but ngiyababona khona lento uma ngethazama ukuyihlanganisa in terms of a structure.
Yes.
The team because I remember iconic game. I think it was a draw. The last game it was a draw win.
We Telkom knockout we culling
Bakishiwe but before the culling they played
no badliwa iStelis.
Okay, but then they played very well. You know, there was a structure there and everything. So now that they are coming to the derby, which is this is a KZN derby, not a Durban derby. It's a KZN.
This is the KZN derby.
Yeah, it's one of the best.
Fanele abantu bafaka umlilo. Hayi indaba lokuthi hayi iSoweto derby. Hayi naseKZN akube khona KZN derby. Nathi Bloemfontein derby ngithi ke manje kunesuwelele kuneMarumo Gallants. iMarumo is on fire. Manje KZN ihlelwa yini ke? Hayi abantu abafila lapha eMozambique Stadium bakithi. Abantu abafila lapha eMozambique Stadium kube ne vibe yeKZN derby. Nathi sayidinga into njengaleso ke siyibona eSoweto. Well mhlawumbe ngeke lichekele lo zinga. Kodwa kungenzeka naseKZN yini ekavimba. Yes.
So ngikulindele mina kule game leyana. Ngilindele le game ukuthi it's going to be a tight game but then Kevin Hunt is a winner. Siyawazi sonke lo.
Yes.
So Kevin Hunt siyalazi ibhola lakhe. Udlala kanjani? Udlala ngama wingers. Funa ama wingers are sharp.
Yes.
You understand? Sebenza ngama crosses kuyahead yonke ayengena ama goals so that in a good Durban City ufike wenza the same thing usebenza the same structure. If you look at the structure at Durban City nendlela edlala ngayo ayihlukile kakhulu kule Maritzburg esiyaziyo which is the previous team yase Maritzburg which is now ibizwa ke Durban City. Ayihlukile kakhulu bathatha uKevin Hunt on a record lakhe njengoba sengichazile uKevin Hunt is a winner. Expectile mina mabhida kule game. Angibona amaZulu evimba iDurban City but at the same time uma ngethe usengascora into esingayilindela phana it's either iDurban City is going to win the game or amaZulu azoscora then it will be a draw.
Yes.
But then it's going to be a very tough game.
Yeah.
You know.
Bhungane la kule fixture sikhuluma la ngeDurban City eshaya iPolokwane City kabuhlungu
iphulukwane strong lesizini.
A very strong team.
Yeah, it's a very strong team this season.
Bayidle go 4-1 with i-hat-trick kaFezile Gcaba. Uyayazi defender elikora i-hat-trick. Very rare. Very rare.
DStv Premiership le.
Ngiyakutshela nje.
Ngiyakutshela.
So,
ziyabila.
Ziyabila. Le Durban City le esikhuluma ngayo, iDurban City eku top 8 njengamanje. Mangathiwa manje isizini ayavalwa and ileague isiphelile. Durban City
iyadinga iqiniso.
Compete ku top 8.
Iyadinga iqiniso.
Yes.
Durban City is going to surprise a lot of people. Durban City izogcina ku top 8.
Yeah.
uKevin Hunt uyakwazi ukumaintaina iform. Uyakwazi ukumaintaina record lakhe. Ukwenzile kwiVets, ukwenzile kuSuperSport.
Yeah.
Ngiyazi abantu abaningi bazomthatha babheke into enze iKaizer Chiefs. Okwenze iKaizer Chiefs, it was an unfortunate situation. It was not up to him. But sikhumbula into awayenza uKevin Hunt. iChiefs yahamba yodlala eAfrica. Siyakhumbula ukuthi if ngikhumbula kahle uKevin Hunt uphume kwiChiefs. iChiefs I think yayikwi semi-finals or something.
Yeah.
uKevin Hunt umuntu othatha la team wayibeka lapha. So I record Kevin Hunt is a winner. When I say Kevin Hunt is a winner, everybody knows what I'm talking about.
Yeah.
So Kevin Hunt mina neDurban City yakhe ngibalindele ukuthi bayivale ku top 8.
One of the best coaches we've ever had in South Africa.
In the world.
In the world.
Yeah, in the world.
That is coach Kevin Hunt.
That's Kevin Hunt.
With Durban City. Oh, kukhona ke eMagesi ne TS Galaxy. Sikhuluma ke iqembu leMagesi elisanda kuba ompetha beCufa Cup bidlala neswelele.
Yeah, true.
FNB, Toyota Stadium,
which is in Bloemfontein.
Yes. So ilokuzana Imagesi. I'm sorry, Imagesi, not Imarumo Gallants. I'm talking about Imagesi versus TS Galaxy. Yes. So it's Magesi versus TS Galaxy.
TS Galaxy lega babulo kuzana.
Team Sugas.
Yes. Okay. Yeah.
So it's Magesi versus TS Galaxy. Yeah. Now, Imagesi angithi uyakhumbula ukuthi last season ikhipha ama-club amakhulu kwi-Carling Knockout. Yazi ukuthi iMagesi namanje sakhona kwi-Carling Knockout.
Magesi sakhona kwi-Carling Knockout.
Yazi iMagesi ikhiphe bani kwi-Carling Knockout? Ikhiphe bani?
Ikhiphe Mazulu.
Yes.
Umangete. Yeah, true. I remember now.
Kodwa ke manje into eyinkinga lapha kunyukeka kusukeka lapha phansi ngoba kwi bottom half ye log.
Icup eFun League. Pitso Mosimane once said, I think he was referring to Lokosho Paris Wahamba Uribero remember we win amacup kuphela. Uribero. Sorry for busy gama lakhe wrong. We win amacup kuphela akazange ayowina league. Upitso once said, ukuwina amacup it doesn't necessarily mean that you are the best coach. Win the league, prove yourself.
Because sibona ukuthi you are the
best coach. That's why siyibonile lapha nezantsi. I-league inzima kakhulu
kunema cup games.
Awuthi ngichaze kancane. I-cup uthola ukuthi ama games awu 8. Ungadraw le game le. Niye kuma penalty win. Uye ku quarter finals if in ama quarter finals depend ukuthi what type of a cup edlalayo. Uphinde futhi wenze the same thing up until the final. The final score one goal and then you win the cup. It doesn't necessarily mean that you are the best. Yeah, but then sure. But it's just that maybe sometimes ihambalana indaba yecup ihambalana luck in form ne strategy osebenzayo. And if you look at the best teams around the world, even here in South Africa, the best teams in South Africa, what they do when it comes to a cup, they rotate the team. Ukhona bayazi ukuthi okay, iplayer thize is very good when it comes to iplayer thize can score more goals. Iplayer thize can help us to win this trophy, which is that's the short-term goal. But then when it comes to long-term goal, now we're talking about the league.
Yes.
We need fit players. We need great mentality. We need great attitude. We need quality. We need everything from our team. That's why Magesi namaqembu sibabona besezantsi.
And that's why isibona Sundowns ihlezi lapha.
Yeah, ihlezi lapha.
Hayi manje. Ikhona nje.
Ohlwake.
Phezulu Sundowns.
Okwamanje phela.
Ubani lesos?
Sundowns. Ukanti ngayiboni la eSouth Africa engifuna unibonisa yona.
Hey guys.
Uyabona awuthi asize la. Uyabona njengamanje sino coach squad which is Huge Bros.
Yes.
Huge Bros is the best coach one of the best coach.
Very
But i-weakness ka-Usual Bros engiyinakile isikhathi esiningi ukuthi ngakwazi ukuyishintsha igame. If igame uyiqalile akanayo le nto ukuthi okay I can change igame ngale player. But angikho ku-Usual Bros manje ngila ku-DStv. Ukhona ucoach wePirates, the current coach. Mina ma-Kaizer Chiefs support. But I watch football.
Yeah.
The current coach wePirates uyakwazi ukushintsha igame. Can surprise you. That guy can substitute the best player at the moment. I'm substituted to change the game.
Yes.
I change the game and win. So if unomuntu kanje with that kind of consistent, like say qalile manje, with that kind of mentality, because that guy is a winner, you know. Yabo mentality la mentality la mjida nendlela enza ngayo njengamanje kwiPirates. Ibhakabhaka. Mina am-Kaizer Chiefs support, but ibhakabhaka lizoyiwina
league.
Yes, le ibi chance yamakhosi but ibhakabhaka lizoyiwina ileague. Amakhosi enze into zakhona. Sineyinkinga zethu of which I don't want to dwell on that. But right now ngifuna ukubonisa ukuthi iSundowns it was, but now we're talking about the current, like currently Pirates. Asibuke manje ku squad. There's Sipho Mbule. Sipho Mbule right now is the best player in Africa. Let me repeat myself. Sipho Mbule is the best player in Africa. Look at how ilokuzana amaqembu esidlala nawo sidlala Nigeria ngithi. Sipho Mbule was there, right?
Yes,
sidlala Nigeria, sadlala eZimbabwe, sidlala amagame awu2 yahlala nayo ekhona
Rwanda.
If you look at those 3 games, the guy they targeted, the guy they wanted it out or down, Sipho Mbule. Why? Because he's the best player. Whenever
exactly. Yes.
If you look at Sipho Mbule, the combination between Sipho Mbule and Police on the left hand side, there's a lot of understanding between those two guys. Isuka kuphi leyo nto? Isuka kuPirates. Le ndoda ngikhuluma ngayo. Le ndoda ngikhuluma ngayo izosubstitute uMasonganye. Masonganye is one of the uMasonganye at the moment in South Africa, like in the last 2-3 seasons, he's been one of the role models when it comes to the young kids, and everybody was talking about Tito. If you remember, even in Orlando Pirates, there were talks that the jersey, Jomo Sono's jersey number 10 must be given to Masonganye. Jomo said no, not now, and I was so surprised. But if you look at right now, we understand why Jomo said no at that time, you know. Hence I'm saying, so if you look at those substitutions azenzayo to change the game, coach wePirates
rotating the squad.
Ngiyamnika DStv. Ngithi akayithathe yakhe. Why? Because of indlela just that nje iDStv njengoba ngichazile idinga iconsistency. Ngiyayibona iconsistency senzeka wePirates because the players wePirates right now they are highly motivated. If you looked at them ku squad, which is Bafana, they made a lot of difference.
Kakhulu.
I-mentality yabo, attitude yabo na yonke into they were isuka emuva Pirates. So I do give Pirates, and ngiyabona amagesi behlezi la bakhona benganyakazi
fighting for relegation.
Ngicela ukungena nje lapho Sithoko kubhungane ukuthi ikhona yini league yake yawinwa ngo-October, ngoba sazi ukuthi league winwa ngoMay nje bese inikeza ibhakabhaka njengabe leso sibindi sithathaphi.
If yakhumbula kahle uSithoko usho something la which was valid. Ilona phuze bengihlele kulona uthi uSithoko iFilipi besingayivala manje. Uyangithola? Uthi uSithoko iFilipi besingayivala manje. Durban City bizogcina top 8. Ngithi mina iFilipi besingayivala manje.
Durban City bizogena ku top 8.
Then Pirates with this kind of consistency mentality, the structure. Remember the basic principles of football, the structure.
Yeah, but
Sundowns
wait, let's talk about Sundowns. Ngifuna analyze Sundowns kancane nje. Let's go to Sundowns. Sundowns lost to Ribeiro.
Yeah.
After losing okay, let me start here. Wait, let me start here. Mina kufika uKhadoso kweSundowns. I personally, I tweeted ngasho ngathi guys, ngambukela ama games I think I would 3 guys, I don't feel this guy. Why? His ball, it's not a Sundowns ball. He's changing everything there for bad reasons. Ngangibuka indlela uMukwena adlala ngayo. Number 1, uMukwena abanye abantu bebiza ngo6. UMukwena udlala 6. Mina ngithi uMukwena udlala lo 6 umuvayo. The attacking one. UMukwena uyashoota. UMukwena ngama shot on targets, UMukwena nama goals. Sonke leso stats.
More like talent embatha.
Sonke leso stats siyasa decrease under the current coach, which is uKhadoso. Now uKhadoso njalo igame yakhe njalo dependa ku Ribeiro. No Ribeiro, no game. Right? No Sundowns. You remember the other time when they were playing against Kaizer Chiefs? The game ended 1-0.
Yes.
Who scored the goal? Ribeiro. Ribeiro was closed by Kaizer Chiefs, but Ribeiro was so brilliant. There's one thing that I always say. Brazilian players are so talented. German players,
very, very talented.
German players are very special.
Yeah.
Spanish players,
coaches,
Spanish players
and
are so
coaches.
talented, and the coaches.
Very, very.
So lang khona. Esekuthenini. If you look at ama-stats azo zonke ezi players, even uRibeiro, sidrophile under uCardoso. uCardoso ngimkhomberisha noAteta before this season. He's a coward. To me, he's a coward. He's not a baller. He's a coward. Sundowns idinga coach. They need a coach right now more than ever.
Do you think they must bring back Coach Rulan?
Because they can't get Coach Pizzo.
Oh.
Why do you think they can't get Upito?
They can't get Coach Pizzo. It was all over the papers, guys. We're not trying to spread rumors here. Coach Pizzo and Sundowns, they've got financial issues. Economic issues are corner. They even went to court. Pizzo was requested to pay many millions. I don't know what's going on, but they've got issues. And since Pizzo wahamba Sundowns, there've been those kind of issues. So banenkinga zabo. So I don't see Coach Pizzo. Remember, Coach Pizzo is the only coach who ever winela ICAF, right?
Yeah.
But Coach Pizzo,
that was 2016,
yes,
if I'm not mistaken.
But since washiya Sundowns, Coach Pizzo angikhumbula ukuthi nango e-short club, which is a Hosman 7. Angikhumbula ukuthi uvashile. No.
Awufanisiwe nje.
I guess he's not allowed there. So things like that. But so hence I'm saying, and then Coach Rulan indlela ahambe ngayo. I don't see Coach Rulan coming back to Sundowns. Sekhona they are
sports manager
Whatzenberg, I forgot his name, but sekhona sporting director. Sekhona sporting director, I doubt. Because there were fights, and I remember from the other podcast radio station, I've listened to Coach Rulan crying, trying to spill up the bed, but simply because of those contracts and everything. Yes. So he didn't go deep specifically with Kwenzagalani, but you could hear that there were issues between him and one of those, like if you listen to those issues, the issues that's corner. Lo coach it was all about the mandate,
Yeah.
Basebenze into mandate ukuthi okay, if you didn't win CAF blah blah blah, then you're out. But if you look at the current coach, akazwina ngalento kade uLrene engazwilanga, but uselapha. Why uselapha? Kade usayibulala Sundowns. Khumbula into eyodwa ke ngifuna ichaza before sivale indaba yeSundowns. Ukufa kweSundowns kufa kwebafana. uYujo Bros ufika kwakhe ufika wabuilder ibafana kwiSundowns. Ukuba kweform kweSundowns, ukuba kweform kwebafana under Usual Bros. Njengoba sesiyibona manje nePirates isiza.
Yeah.
Of which yonke lento isizwa ila participation ye Pirates neSundowns kwi AFCON. I mean kwi-Africa kwi-CAF.
Unginakisa ukuthi isquad njengamanje esingene kwi World Cup besidlala neRwanda. I think because my players of Pirates 5 Sundowns, yeah
6-5.
And one uKhulumani Ndamane. And also there are rumors, angazi ukuthi they are true or not, ukuthi he's also a Sundowns player. So manje yabona ukuthi vele uqinisile mawuthi ukufa kweSundowns shoot ibafana yafadalala.
Ngicela ukuza la ngizokubonisa something. Buka igame ekade sidlala before sihlale neNigeria sahlala neNigeria ngitsabe sahlala igame.
Sadlala neNigeria, sadlala neZimini.
Zimbabwe.
La eMabhida, from eMabhida sadlala neRwanda.
If you look at impact ka lomjida weSundowns loku midfield, the best midfielder in South Africa.
Umkwena.
I don't know uMakhawula wayithola kanjani la what, but I'm not there.
Hayi.
I don't go there. The best midfielder in South Africa, Umugwena. If you look at Umugwena game yakhe neNigeria, Umugwena was not the Umugwena that we know. He was very flat.
Omunye abadlali ongaswela kwisquad. Yes.
And I was like, no man, this is not the Umugwena that we know. Kwabe sengena kwakhona substitute yenze wangena the right wing Morena. I looked at Morena. No, this is not the Morena that I know. So at that time, the Sundowns players were not giving me the vibes that I know. Why? It's simply because of what is going on in Sundowns. It's killing us. Like it's killing our nation. Which is Iluza, Nebo, South Africa. Yeah. Look at the game, then get South Africa, Zimbabwe. Then look at the last game.
Rwanda.
Because manje sebehleli manje camp angithi.
Yeah.
Then there's those kind of motivations and everything, you know,
yeah.
the talks and everything, you know. Look at Mugweno. He was the best midfielder on the field, you know.
Yes.
And I was like, wow, this is the guy that
now
we are shooter when the young kid distributions everything, you know. I'm not taking anything from Apolis and other guys, you know. Mbule, the best midfielder. Yeah. I'm not taking anything from, but you know, like the better when we have the best Sundowns, we have the best South Africa team. You know. So we need to look at those things as a nation, and those things can contribute a lot. So, and also learn to DStv Premiership. It's the best league in South Africa. It's not one of the best league in South Africa.
Yeah.
It's one of the best leagues in the world. We can put it like that.
Premiership.
That's our league.
Yo, wayichaza wayibeka. Hey, Sundowns. Please. Mamelodi Sundowns, ukufa kwethu njengesizwe.
Ngabengaboni. Mabengaboni nje hayi. Mabengaboni because njengamanje yabona abasibonelo mina I won't lie, khona into ebekade ngiyithanda kuqala isizini there was Chiefs was number 1, but I'm not talking I don't want to concentrate on the log, but I don't want to concentrate on the ball that was played.
Yeah.
Chiefs ball that was played kuqala isizini, Paris ball, and then Sundowns I was like Sundowns is going to come back, right? You know,
yeah.
Because they've got a mentality, you know. So bengiyithanda le nto because I was like ibhola lasemzansi liyavuka,
yes,
like in terms of that tight competition.
Yes. And yazi ukuthi mina ngifisa ukubona kwenzakalani.
Yeah.
Ngifisa ukubona lapha ku top 3 1 2 3 ngifisa ukubona ukuthi
But it's just something.
Yeah, yes. Ngifuna ukubona ukuthi
yeah, it's going to happen.
Good.
Yeah,
Uzobona.
Yeah,
Mhlawumbe now coach Hugo Bruce uzo ngizoya ngobani manje ku World Cup. Yabo Chiefs iyaperforma, Pirates iyaperforma, Sundowns. Ngifuna ukuthi ngifisa ukubona kwenza kanje.
Siselapho indaba ka Bruce ne Chiefs. I feel like Bruce has personal issues with the Chiefs, you know. Yeah, that's how I feel. I don't have facts, but that's how I feel.
How come Thabiso Munyane is not there? How come Tabakele is not there?
Yeah, but like I see a selection of my players because I don't want to disturb selection like indlela selecting it's fine. But mina into engiconfuse awu ukuthi ithuba nethuba lifumanayo ku press conference. He's going to talk about Kaizer Chiefs. He's going to talk about Kaizer Chiefs. Kaizer Chiefs kids. I'm like, dude, can you focus? And if you are the time it's South Africa drawn in Zimbabwe. Then there were those calculations. If Nigeria wins, blah, blah, blah.
Yes.
That's when then got deactivate a country kanje.
Yathi batsabanye thina siRwanda.
That's Kaizer Chiefs fans. Remember, Kaizer Chiefs is the best team in Africa. True. Let me repeat, Kaizer Chiefs is the best team in Africa when it comes to numbers.
It's used to be.
True.
No. It will always be.
It's used to be the big
when it comes to numbers. You know.
What numbers are you basing?
Talk about the fans. Talk about everything.
The trophies,
revenues, and everything.
Yes.
You know. We can talk about revenues. We can talk about Kaizer Chiefs is the best team.
But in terms of achievements.
Achievements how? Because we still dominate in terms of trophies. We've got 49, 50, something like that. They're still behind.
Lama trophies dlala ngakho ngisho offside.
So if we can talk about those guys, if you're talking like that, then we can even say your son, which is 15 years or 17 years, didn't even see the star that was won by Pirates.
1995.
You see. So now that's an ongoing debate, but we are not there. I don't want to go there. I just want to highlight the issues.
And then uzokubuza ukuthi wena baba wayengena sister wena ngikhombise.
Wayebona ngisho. So manje ngifila ngathi bro so number issues ne Kaizer Chiefs, and if I was Hugo Bros, you know, from now going forward I would stop entertaining the journalists when they ask me about Kaizer Chiefs because they want that vibe. They know he's going to respond. Sometimes they respond bad. Sometimes they respond ngendlela ubona ukuthi no man, you know. Yeah. And abantu abana advisors, people that are going to tell them that no.
Ngiyakhumbula nje ngicabanga usiwaye nenye futhi interview la khona bembuza ukuthi why ungasabhekanga ku Chiefs, because there are good players also ku Kaizer Chiefs. Labantu sikhuma abantu abawina Nedbank.
No, it's fine. So I mean it's fine. It's okay. Don't select the players. It's okay. Because you don't want to disturb the squad because they are not on form, right? It's okay that unendlela selecting, I respect that. But meaning njengilola it's a brand, Kaizer Chiefs brand.
Yeah.
Kaizer Chiefs is the PS brand.
Yeah.
It kudinga some respect behind the brand. You understand?
Yes. And
so usual approach is gonna come like uyafika ukhuluma ngeKaizer Chiefs njalo it hurts. I won't lie, it hurts.
Right.
It hurts. I won't lie.
But Bungane, do you think asiyeke into azikhuluma mhlawumbe ezinegative? Let's speak about the players. Ukuthi do you think they deserve ukuba ku squad sebafana?
Some players deserve. I'll speak of Vilakazi.
Yes, they do.
I'll talk about Vilakazi. Vilakazi deserve to be there. I'll speak of
Thabiso
Munyane. Yeah, deserve to be there.
One of the best right backs.
And also if you're gonna take Ukoza from Sundowns, then you have to take McCarthy from Kaizer Chiefs. He's right now he's among the best defenders in the DStv Premiership. He won. That was not a fluke. He won back-to-back man of the match before the injury. You remember that?
Yes.
So if you're gonna take Koza from Sundowns, then
Tata no McCarthy.
But then, without being said,
so
angifuni ukuthi
ngokwakho ukubona Bhungane bangaki ke sesingase sithi now siyahamba siya ku World Cup ne ngenze nje umzekelo
yeah
mhlambe ngokubona kwakho if you were a coach Hugo Bruce when ubani obungamselecta ku Chiefs?
I'll take uMonyane, I'll take uChabalala, I'll take uVilakazi, I'll take uMcCarthy. Yeah. I'll take McCarthy, even if I was umqalisa McCarthy at the back, because you've got your regular players as an option.
Yeah.
You know? Or if I'm McCarthy, I would announce, okay, McCarthy, please be ready. Should anyone get in that, but you're part of my plans, yes. You know? Uchabalala, he's one of the best young stars right now. You know? You can see his trainer. You can see the combinations between him and Lilebo. The combinations between him
also
and
the confidence.
You know, the confidence.
Yeah,
you know, the mentality as well.
And yazi ukuthi bangathiwa ama young stars njengo Shabalala oVilakazi nangase kuthiwa umuntu uyazibona at least lapha ya ku preliminary rounds. The confidence.
That's a confidence booster.
The confidence.
You know? Yeah.
Bangathiwa bebekuyijezi lebafana ebidla neRwanda engene kwi World Cup. The confidence.
That's what matters. That's what we need right now. We need youngsters. But then Coach Shido Bros, I'm not a negative person naturally. So I don't focus on those negative things. Coach Shido Bros has done a lot for our country. No?
Yeah.
He instilled a lot of things, the culture, the confidence,
yes.
The there's a structure in Bafana. You know, like now, right now we fill stadiums, we do everything for Bafana. That was not done before. You know, so I do see him. I do see Hugo Bros as one of the best coaches. Yeah,
we've ever had.
In South African football. Yeah.
Right. Just masakhuluma ngendaba ye-Sundowns nadani sishonelwe ilanga.
Yeah, boshonelwe ilanga.
Right, let us move on. Sibheke lapha kwi-Gallants ne-Chippa United. Right. Masikhuluma nge-Chippa. Akaze kungifikela ukuthi Chippa ingahlala ekugcineni njengamanje Chippa isemsileni kuna
Hlezi laphana kodwa.
Kodwa futhi ngeke iye ku relegation.
That's the
never.
And
hayi
ukhumbule ke mina angathi ngitshela ukuthi mina kodwa ngiyeke leyo kodwa ngiyafisa Chippa ngelinye ilanga ihambe iye ku relegation kancane why no ngiyafisa mina because mina in the past seasons i-contribution yabo ku-DStv Premiership angayiboni kahle hle angifuni uqama mama
Dambe khona ikhapha bakawawini
no never
oh
no bakazi so angizama ukuba negative but if you look at how they play each and every season like awuyiboni lento bakuzama uyachieve into azama uyachieve uChippa Mpengesi is to stay kwi betway so le nto leyo as a country angiboni ukuthi yasisiza into ayenzayo uChippa Mpengesi into esiyaziyo famous ngayo uChippa Mpengesi kuchinja ucoach every month yebo every month change coach yona nje siyibonayo le kuChippa so iChippa United angifuna uqama manga ngiyiboni angiyibale njengamanye amaqembu engathi iChippa United ukuthi iscore goal iscoranga noma iSMB noma for ibhola lethu eMzansi angiyiboni eTVelo maybe I might be wrong yebo ngisho kodwa ngiyiboni njengamanye amaqembu eTVelo ngizokwenza lesibonelo if you look at amaqembu njengo Golden Arrows
yes
anembali khonta bayizamayo
yes
even right now you can see the structure you see
Kohle.
Those are small teams according to our football right to get on yeah. But Golden Arrows in a history
Yes.
Yangithola Golden Arrows isekhe wawina ama trophies. Golden Arrows isenga wawina ama trophies. Just a matter of time.
Yes.
Ngoba ngapha amaqembu amancane khona. If you look at inathi leliqembu liku number 2 manje. Isikhukhune United. Sikhukhune United ina how many years ku bhola eliphezulu.
Ayinasikhathi.
But you can see there is an ambition there. They're ambitious. You know? They want to do something special.
For instance.
Stellis, for example. Stellis will produce a lot of players, not for Sundowns and for Bafana as well. How many for Paris as well? How many Stellis players that they have played for Bafana right now? Which means they are contributor towards Bafana. But you look at the Chippa United.
Nabo Reina uphuma phi? Stellis.
There are a lot of players that are coming from Stellis. So Stellis is contributing a lot. So there are a lot of young teams that are contributing a lot towards our national team.
Lebe sibiza ngeSuper Sport, now sibizwa ngeSiwelele. Iproduce lo mkwena. Yesiproduce lo Maswanganyi.
Baningi.
O talent embatha. So yeah,
kuyabonakala. Yes, Siwelele yes. Sine history just that nje into engayithandi ngeSiwelele ile lama issues wakhona wase Bloemfontein. Angithi yakhumbula sasikade sine Bloemfontein Celtics.
Yes.
So now there is a fight yela gama. Yabona khona ungafuna ukunikeza igama. Ufuna more than 5 million. Can you imagine? So now into engayithandi mina ileyo. How I wish Siwelele was given Bloemfontein Celtics because namanje Siwelele but mina I always feel like if you can take Kaizer Chiefs uyibize mhlambe nge-Chiefs Majuba, I always feel like the identity khona lento ilahlekayo kuyona encane yebo
esukayo
kuyona yebo like so nje how I wish babeyinikezele yanto because if you look at Siwelele which is Bloemfontein Celtics lingazi you mean if you look at abalandi bakhona the best fans
kakhulu
in South Africa
ngihlale ngisho ngithi mina
the one of the best fans in South Africa
na last time ngangishilo ukuthi yazi into engithanda ngabo hayi abasha abaye ngokuthi okay ubuzivakashele and uzidlila wena in no nabe celebrate ngiyakhumbula kade dlala nePirates
they always have that kind of
always
on a fighting spirit.
Yes bayayenza leyo nto ukuthi nawe langazelela kuye stadium so iMarumo Gallants ngiyayibona lento abazama ukuyenza bayazama ukuthi ngizothini bayazama ukuthi iyakhandeka iMarumo Gallants is in the making more like Golden Arrows. Mozo sathu ukubheka badle iSundowns.
That's
kuyikhale.
That's Marumo Gallants.
Oyilindele leyo into.
Yes. Ngangilindele. Ngikutshele uKadoso since kuhambe uLozana uRibeiro. He's been exposed.
Yeah.
Yabo uma ulale uKadoso, ulalela ipress conference kaDoso before the game. Ungathi hey lo coach lo uyalazi boss. But bese so linda igame bese ubukela igame you're like what is going on here? Igame yaye kaKadoso ayina energy. That's number 1. Iplayers kaKadoso sengathi ziveze bengathi khona la kade icatshene khona. Awuyibona into ayenzayo. Mina ngiyibona into ayenza uKadoso. So ngangikilindele ukuthi uzoshaya.
Uzophuma.
Sokugcina shayekile. Angiyiboni mina this season iSundowns angiyiboni ithatha any trophy. I'm so sorry to say that. Angiyiboni dominate anything in Africa. Just that maybe the mentality now they have from the Bafana maybe it might help them, but now ebalento also we hlaphe lekengele ama boyfriend amani uthola ukuthi usho boyfriend engempela then you coming from that boyfriend and so now you depressed then I feel like there's a depressing side lapha kaDoso khona lento ishodayo khona lento angakwazi ukuyenza abantu bacawa ukuthi yakwazi
but ama players now quality yonke uyiphethe
Sundowns has quality players
yes
ayabonga lapho and bayakwazi asikwazi phikisana lo because nalo bamthengile musha lo wase Europe naye
wase Argentina, is it Argentina?
Something like that. I'm not sure about the country, but first game yakhe wedlala Chiefs or something. Not sure.
Wedlala ne Chiefs. Bamfake second half. Yeah.
But you could see ibhola likhona la. Indlela libamba ngayo yabona indlela ajika ngayo lo muntu.
Maphasa.
And I was like, muhlanganise lo muntu. If ubungahlanganisa lo muntu uhlanganise Ribeiro. Uhlanganise no abane lo mude. Sales.
Yes.
Sales is one of the best players. But abantu abamboni. But now isikhathi esiningi uzothola ukuthi uSales ulle. Because ibhola likaKadoso lislow angithi. uSales ulle nebhola. uAlende ule umukwenu ule then ayikho lento ukuthi ngiyakunika ngiyacela ngiyakunika siyahamba I structure sakhona sivuleke kakhulu. There's a lot of space.
Do you think mhlambe I-absence of uThemba Zwane is contributing because siyazi ukuthi he's one of those players okwazi ukuhlanganisa le bhola lelo lisho ukuthi kuphaselwane nisondelane so that nizokhona ucreate amathuba through ama passes. Do you think his absence is being felt?
Yes. Why am I saying that? I'm saying that simply because it affected uRibeiro. uRibeiro was dependent kakhulu kuThemba Zwane. uThemba Zwane uyakwazi ukuhlanganisa abadlali. uHugo Bros yafika eSouth Africa wahlanganisa squad wasebenzisa uThemba Zwane. Regardless of age. uHugo Bros wayebeka yacaca wathi mina ngifuna abadlali abancane. But wangamkhipha uThemba Zwane. Wayebuild eSouth Africa through uThemba Zwane. uThemba Zwane isikhathi esiningi ngikhumbuza uTeko Modisa. Nginike ngiyaphuma nansi position. Asiligcine let's keep the position. Mawugcina iposition ebholeni lento yenza nguPep Guardiola isikhathi esiningi. Mawugcina iposition ebholeni siyavuleka ispace. Siyatheka selcore goal. So leyanto ukulimala kaThemba Zwane kuyishaya kakhulu iSundowns. But then mawukhusha ohlakaniphile. You always have the second option which is the second structure. Ngizokwenza lesibonelo njengamanje. Ngikhulume ngoHugo Bros nathi uHugo Bros udlala it's 4-3-2-1 right?
4-2-4-3 no
4-2-3-1
yeah.
So mina uHugo Bros mase kukhona into eyenzekile mhlawumbe sikorele igoli or something akangishintsheli kahle igame yabo tengisho akuyena ukhusha ngathi yabo iyangishintshela igame yabo tengisho but mawucoach sengibuyela manje lapha Khadosa kuSundowns mawucoach fanele wazi ukuthi okay Themba Zwane emelimele isebenza abantu which means manje ngeke ngidlale ngalendlela bengidlala ngayo kusekhona Themba Zwane let me change the structure let me change everything yabo tengisho because manje the target man ayikho la squadini sethu who else can help us to build this team or this team singayibuild around bani umkhulisi sakhona Sundowns he's 29 years now right Khulisa is 29 years that guy under Pitso Mosimane and under Rulani he was one of the best guys at Sundowns and ebekwazi ukugcina ibhola naye you could use one of those guys like umkhulise there's a guy esuka kuyilo kuzana oyesuka ku Bloemfontein Celtics kokuthiwa bani igama lakhe angazi apha Mayela something
yes
one of those guys that could keep the ball. Why don't you use one of those guys? I'm not sure whether I'm lonely or Okon. I'm not sure because
he's with Simba eTanzania.
Mthatha umsaka Simba but Themba Zwane is 35 years old. You take those guys away. But you've got a 35-year-old here. Khumbula ukuthi umdlali omdala melimela akasheshi ukululama. And usengalimala from time to time. Maybe manje uSimba Themba Zwane yesibini simbone like edlala ibhola njengaqala. And ukhumbule mabuya kunjari akufani.
Yeah.
Because you have to recover the form and everything, the fitness, yonke leyanto. So manje Sundowns iaffected kakhulu and unfortunately they don't have a coach. Let me repeat, unfortunately they don't have a coach. If they had a coach, because there's a budget there. You know, there are players there. There's everything.
Yeah.
You know, so you Sundowns ngiyukhala hayi ngithola. No, there are billions there. They can take billions and buy Man City and bring it here in South Africa and play. You know,
so makenzeka ileague engayiwina kana ukukhalaza akanakhala ukuthi no benginaba ama
Kumbule phela ngithe ileague akazoyiwina. Makwenzeke angithi akazoyiwina le league le. Akazoyiwina.
Oh ileague le Bhakani ngikhohliwe.
No ileague phela lona ngiyinika iBhakani yake kodwa iBhakani yona team engithe ngilibona but ileague akuyona eSundowns this season. You remember in the previous season you were like ish Sundowns yayithatha after 5 games ububona
and bese kuthanda ukuthi bore kancane vele sesiyazi Sundowns
manje asazi lutho
Sundowns again so njengamanje cabanga ukuthi imnandi
nihleze ningazi lutho ngoba iChiefs yake yaba ku number 1 for the entire season
2019
so nanazi lapho
sasazi because
nanazi ukuthi izothatha Sundowns iChiefs ihlale phezulu from the A to ubani let's before yokugcina.
No, I mean, I'll tell you something. Pitso Mosimane at that time, Pitso Mosimane is one of the best tacticians in the world when it comes to football. Pitso Mosimane was dlala mind games. Pitso Mosimane was 70 mind game against Kaizer Chiefs. If you remember that time, Kaizer Chiefs had the best midfielder, which is Maluleka. Pitso Mosimane avela thenga Maluleka. Avela yafe Chiefs. Avela win the league. Do you get what I'm talking about? Yeah. And then Sundowns abemenza lotho. And if you remember recently, I think in one of the podcasts, Maluleka did confess to say that was the strategy, but now guys, that's history. But then what I'm trying to say is that at that time, Chiefs was we were consistent at that time. No, there were intentions to win the league. Middendorp was doing well, but then and zezinye lezinto ezingikhulume ngazo ngithi mina mawucoach fanele uhlezi unayo second option ukuthi okay if kwenzeka lokho because indaba yokuthengwa ama players i-player ithengwa namhlanje then kusasa iyahamba. It takes time, right? It could be a week or a month so why can't you plan around to say okay if we lose this one could be injury angathengwa then what do we do yes. So it structures team sometimes ingaba red card and maybe we are thola enye red card so that's why ngithi coach fanele uhlale uyazi okay if we go through this then this is how we na backup plan then we're going to do 1 2 3 and 4 so as ama coach izinto efanele sifunde lezo so uKhadoso yastrugglisa njengamanje i-excuse yakhe is always like thina saqalisa izini thina sibuya and I'm like dude come on stop it stop it play football get in the field. You've got a lot of players. There's budget. There's everything.
Quality
players. Yeah. Play football. Show dominance.
Yeah.
So that's
right. So ikhona ke futhi Polokwane City ne Pirates. So Pirates idlala home game. It's Orlando Stadium. Lana ke sikhuluma ngePirates ekukhef njengamanje. Some of the players babuya ukuyodlala qualify yes bafana ithini into sikhuluma ngePolokwane engenzi kahle kwamanje mhlambe ukudliwa kwabo kwiDurban City kona yini okungaba motivator ekuthenini no asidlaleni ngokuyimisela kwiPirates siyawudinga lo 3 points siyadinga ukukhuphuka is it
mina ngifuna uqala la njengamanje iPlayers ePirates they're highly motivated. They're coming from Bafana basize Bafana which is our country. Qualifier for a World Cup. That's number 1.
Yes.
Number 2, iPirates iqeda win trophy ngithi
MTN8.
That's another confidence booster which helped us ku Bafana because when they went there banela confidence yababona uSipho Mbule
a police
basoba or a police
okay.
Yeah, you can see that basoba.
Yes.
Yonke into yenze kahle. Or a police is one of the best. A police there's something that I want to mention. A police is that best player that we've needed in Bafana. That's a police.
Wait,
ukuba khona kaSipho Mbule ku release a police umthola a police ene free roll. Kuba khona kaSipho Mbule because Sipho Mbule uyakwazi uhold the ball.
Yeah.
Then a police yenza into zakhe. Uyamove yakwazi umove a police mncane ngithi. It's like uKhobe ku Springbok. Khobe is a small guy but then he does everything. That's a police. So now you've got a police, you've got Sipho Mbule ngikhuluma ngePirates. You've got Urele ungamwrite off uthi hayi season against that.
No,
he's going to come back.
Yeah.
He's one of the best young players in South Africa. You've got a lot of players. You've got Abo Maswanganyi. You've got a lot of players. You've got Abo Nduli.
Yes.
One of the best defensive midfielders in South Africa. So Pirates, we against Polokwane. They've got one of the best defense in South Africa. By a fight, but they're not doing well. But the Pirates ngiyibona score ama goals. I think they will score more than 2 goals.
More than 2 goals.
Yeah, and I do see Sipho Mbule as the man of the match.
Oh, as the man of the match.
The man of the match.
Okay.
Yeah, the boys back.
Anytime goal scorer.
Umabasa will continue. Score ama goal.
Yeah.
And I think he'll start, and then Makgopa will come. Makgopa scored as well, Gubafana.
Hey, we had.
Yeah, I had.
Header.
Yeah.
Beautiful header.
Yeah, he scored Gubafana, and ngiyambona na ebuya second half Pirates if qale uMabasa. He might score as well. And Sipho Mbule will score, man. A police is an assister, bro.
We are assistant scorer.
Yeah, he can score, but then a police is that kind of a guy who influences the game in a positive way, He changes the game, influences the game. But then there's one thing that I want to highlight. With that Pirates coach, you cannot confirm anything.
Yeah.
That guy is unpredictable. you'll be
surprised.
You'll be surprised. You'll keep it up police. You'll keep it up police. When it's out yadlala, kungene there's this guy Muremi, there's Muremi in Pirates.
There's also Muremi in Pirates.
Pirates is on fire.
Hayi baby, hayi.
Papa on fire.
Kakhulu.
So like
kukhona Khobe yamolamboni. Hayi bo, masindi nemtajela.
It's a lot.
Yes,
And remember
it's just a lot.
Pirates. And let's go back Pirates manje sibuyele move. TLP.
CM.
Uchayine, sorry to say, Uchayine right now currently he's the best coach in South Africa.
Goalkeeper.
Currently.
Yeah.
I mean, the best goalkeeper in South Africa
Yes.
currently. There's Chayine, there's Pirates is solid.
There's CM.
There's solid.
There's TLB.
And then there's this guy central Smith.
There's Kosinathi Sibisi.
Yeah, so their structure is good. The coach is umnandi naye. Forward.
Do you think coach looking at the background yakhe akaza iwin league kuma previous teams ake wa coach? Why are you so confident ukuthi anga win league? Because njengoba umfowethu ke wa highlight amaqala ukuthi it's still early, ileague ifuna coach o consistent irrespective ukuthi udlala ngabadlali aba good, but udinga into eziningi. There are so many or too many elements and components akulidela ukuthi ugcine win league. Yini yenza umthembe kangaka lo coach taking to consideration ukuthi akaza iwin i-title njenge league before?
Intenze ukuthi la coaching ngimthembe kakhulu. It's simply because uthe mefika kwiPirates ufike wanama difficulties amakhulu kakhulu. Uzezo replacer uRivero.
Umuntu okade win. Kunzima ukureplace umuntu obethandwa ama-fans, ethandwa ama-players, ewina yonke into and then uyafika wena.
Ubani wena?
Wonke amehla kuwena.
Beso Maramo Gallants ne?
Bese kuma room.
So mina efika kwiPirates ngangamboni kahle.
Nama
Because Maramo Gallants ngangamboni kahle, ngangabantu abamgxeka yabona ngithi hayi lo muntu. But then ngabuka ama games awu2. Hey. So njengoba ngishilo ngithi igame mina ama principles wayo. You know, principle if you know the game, there are principles of the game. So that guy, my principles of the game, structure na yonke le nto. We understand how to change the game, how do we defend, how do we attack as a team, how do we motivate the players. Within the team we don't have the star. There's no best player, anyone can be substituted at any time. So with that, if you know coach kanjalo okwazi ukapply ama rules egame na yonke into nama tactics tactical lando diyaphila. So if you know coach kanjalo with the Sundowns feel njengamanje with Kaizer Chiefs ongayiboni kahle with isikhukhune esidlala ngestructure sodwa esidlala ngestructure sodwa. So you're like you look at all those things, you're comparing, you're like the best team right now actually it's Orlando Pirates. That's how I came to that conclusion
in the Betway Premiership.
In the Betway
You're making a lot of sense.
You know, the best team right now is Orlando Pirates. Structurally ngayonke indlela. iPirates ufuyibuka kahle. Ngisho ingascore but you can see the intentions. Mayihlasela iPirates uyafeel ukuthi yabona njengamanje khona team engihlaselayo.
Yeah.
Yebo ngisho. Uvala ngala kuvule ngala uvale ngala. Ngizokwenza isibonelo mina ngesikhukhune. Isikhukhune there are 3 players. If you close those 3 players and the way adlala ngayo kuphelile. Kukhona if wenze sure ukuthi iballers azisuke emuva or wherever ziyokhobla cut ufukhathela le lampahla. Number 1. Number 2, ukhona this guy kube khona this guy ubanamba lo gijima kakhulu. Ungamvumela gijima lebhola. Kube khona uMahayile. Ungamvumela gijima lebhola.
Kuno Sean lo Rastanyana ukhathile so.
Then you're done ngesikhukhune. Do you get what I'm talking about? But when it comes to Pirates, so unpredictable. You change this, that guy is here. You change, that guy keeps on changing the game. Yeah, uyakwazi influence the game. Ngizokwenza lesibonelo bedlala final. Muremi, that boy. Mina ngangibona ngelambona like awuzokwenzani. Before I shot 2 goals. They came from the back, right?
Yeah.
They won the game. And then you look at this guy, you're like, this is so amazing. I'm a Chiefs fan, but you're looking at ubuke ibhola ke manje susuku to favor. You're like, this is so amazing, you know? You know, and then yonke lento leyo icontribute kakhulu kwibhola lethu.
Nanokuthi kuhle ekuthenini ukuthi eteamini abadlali ba compete bodwa. Ngeke ubhungane mina nobhungane sidlala iposition eyodwa and then ngiyafuna nami ukudlala ngiyayidinga game time. Nobhungane angikompetha noSithoko nami ngiyayidinga game time. Yabo kuhle ukuthi kube njalo.
Kakhulu mfethu, kuhle kakhulu mfethu ngoba makwenzeka kanje, maliqhubeka kanje ibhola laseMzansi. which means amanye ama-teams azoyibona uku-investa ku-quality
Yeah.
ukuthi kukanjani.
Yeah.
Bazoyibona uku-investa ku-quality when it comes to coaching, when it comes to also ilokuzana ama-players ebote ngisho.
Yes.
Because the-Pirates njengamanje, i-investment ye-Pirates njengamanje right.
Kakhulu.
And also I don't want investment ye-Chiefs, it's very good, just that badinga ukulungisa lapha nalapha.
There and there.
Yeah, for example, njengamanje mina ku-Kaizer Chiefs everything is fine except the coaching. Yabo, I think that's the only problem is now coaching, you know, because now Coach Nabi is gone, of which I had a problem with Coach Nabi because I'm one person who believes a lot in communication, you know. So like benga understand to communicate kanjani ama players because Coach Nabi couldn't understand any language esikhuluma la eMzansi. So we betting Cedric this guy because I'm translate.
Yes.
Remember one thing, if njengamanje ngikutshela into ngithi tshela ubafa mawuyitshela ubafa uzomtshela ngendlela yakho othanda ngayo wena
Hayi lesho yini.
ayifani. So i-players dinga motivate coach not i-translator. So it's one of those issues ebengenazo. So manje tactically abadlali basebaleni badinga ukudlala. Yeah, but sure. So I mean udinga uchange igame. You can't talk to them because there's a language barrier. And one person engabona ukuthi im-affectile leyo nto kakhulu ku-Kaizer Chiefs uNgcobo i-confidence yakhe under uNabi it was very low. Kumthatha isikhathi ukuthi anyukele phezulu. uNgcobo is a baller, you know. Ngcobo can play football, you know. But then under Coach Nabi ngibona ukuthi iyam-affecta lento, you know. That's one of the issues that was con. So Coach Nabi for me was not the permanent solution for Kaizer Chiefs. Us winning Nedbank, it's fine, but I was not convinced, you know. Yeah, so I cannot say it's because we won Nedbank then wow, like no.
There was
No. So yeah.
Sisakhuluma nje ngo-Coach Nabi and Chiefs nabo badlala neswelele. Bayadlala neswelele and iswelele akusiyona i-team ongayiyela ngobuso. Khona ibidlala khona ne-Pirates. Bayidlalisa i-Pirates ukuthi uyabona nani uyazini le game izophela nge-draw ka not.
I remember that game, yeah.
TLB yini uba number was score goal, yeah, kwaba
long
1
range,
nil.
yeah.
Score prediction
Chiefs ne
swelele
me Chiefs come on to it.
Asikayi ukuthi
Ayasiye.
Ngicela
Asikhulume ngebhola structure.
Yeah.
Kaizer Chiefs structural is structures Kaizer Chiefs is very good. At the back we've got two guys, McCarthy and our captain who Lokuzana, the African guy from
i-defender
Lokuzana.
Inacio
Miguel, yes. We've got McCarthy no Miguel. But mina ngithanda i-partnership ka Kwinika no Miguel. Because uKwinika khona i-change ekhona ngoKwinika this season. Abantu abangayiboni. He's highly motivated. He's a leader. You know, because I remember last game he said, you know, the game for last there was tension engaba khona between yena no with one of the Chiefs players. I forgot which one. Then abantu they thought that maybe they were fighting. Well, explain uKwinika what no, I didn't like khona omunye wethu ongayithanda ngento bendlela omunye ubedlala ngayo, and I was like, this is leadership. If you guys can hold each other accountable, you know, then that's what we want, you know. So at the back Simnandi, midfielder Simnandi, at the front Simnandi.
Right.
Just that abantu abafana no Mayo, they need to be reminded that dude, you are playing for Kaizer Chiefs now. Don't be selfish.
Yeah.
Don't be selfish, you know.
But I don't
Yeah,
think
They need to be
selfishness.
reminded, you know. No, it is.
Yeah,
You said,
mhlambe
you want to. I understand. He's a striker. He's hungry. You want to prove because you remember,
Yes,
Umayo,
you want to prove.
Umayo being in Kaizer Chiefs, it's part of his family legacy. Yakumbulu
Baba
Noti,
wakhe.
Patrick Mayo.
Yes.
Yeah, so it's a legacy. Fabian McCarthy. Now we've got a young McCarthy.
Yes,
so
Baba
that
wakhe.
it's so they want to. They want to do well. I understand and I respect that. But now Kaizer Chiefs is a big brand. Kaizer Chiefs is a big team in Africa.
yeah siyazi ukuthi hayi abafana balapha ngefa. Mhlambe Bhungane, with the departure of uNabi, do you think lo coach njengoba officially Chiefs last week he keep in the official statement ukuthi laba bakhona uCase noba ngiyakhohla lo munye ukuthi they will take over until the end of the season, are you confident enough ukuthi they will take you to greater heights?
I would say yes and no. Let me start with the yes side. Coach Nabi, Coach games as you two this season, right? presence yakhe.
Yeah.
Those guys manage games as 4 or 5 4 or something. They won all those games. Okay, mangibe kanje before coach Napa abuye because bekhe waya kubo yakhumbula isikhathi ukuthi unkosikazi ngaso
nje. Family.
Yeah. So like before Chiefs bidlala kahle under those two guys. You know, structural wise yonke into ibe right. The performance, the tempo of the game, transitions, everything was fine. I was happy with everything. Coach Nabi came back. And I do feel like when Coach Nabi came back, he wanted to change some things. And those guys, they were like, no, we're fine. You can't change one. And then I think that's where the shifted Kale Bakon. That's where I won my draws, now the confusion Kale Bakon my players.
Yeah.
They were sure. So that's a yes for me. Then the no for me is that Chiefs is a big brand. Giving giving a deputy coach, which is the assistant coach, Chiefs. Sikwenzile ngaphambili ngikhakusebenzele. Coach Athazwane and others khakusebenzele kusibulele kakhulu. Ukunikeza yena and Cedric lomjelo lo ebe
Cedric Case.
Ukaze was no ukaze for me is not a coach was translating.
So now translator.
So
now like, he's a coach.
He's the coach now.
Is he the coach?
Yeah, the statement was there to say these two guys they will take over up until the end of the season. So now to me, I need the confidence, guys. But at the same time, I'm like, but they did it like in the previous games. So why they can't, you know? So I'm sure, but not sure. So I'm like, they must be given a chance. But then at the same time, I'm like, this is like at the same time, I'm like, but in Saudi, this on the chance, man. This is cut so good, man. This is bonagalizing. But sure, sifuna my trophy. But besides the trophies, mina into ngifuna kakhulu ibhola. Ngithanda ibhola mina ngifuna ukubuka ibhola. Structure, just dominate. Sure sikwazi ukubuya abantu bakore sikwazi ukubuya lento ye clean sheet ongayiboni ukuthi sidlala kanjani to me yabo ngibona ngathi let's play the game
yazi ukuthi ni Chiefs manje you CAF Confed now with the two guys it's in it
with the two guys njama nishadlala Simba which is one of the highly motivated team in Africa. They've got an experience. Yes. They've got an experience in Africa. Uyakhumbula Simba idlala final last season, right? China last season bese ngekho Africa. So and Simba like Simba under Ufatu Davis. It was dominating Africa. Not there only. Africa, the whole Africa. It was dominating like for a couple of years. So they're highly motivated. They've got quality players, you know. So I do see I don't see us winning away. Ngibona us lose away. You know, with maximum of 2 goals. And then maybe we can win it here at home. You know. But then away with Simba, it's gonna be hard. If we win, then I'll give those guys. I'll build those guys a statue in Devon. Yeah, I'll build them a statue in Devon.
Mhlawumbe mase siyivala ke ngibungane siyivala mhlawumbe ngefixture yokugcina. Ngiyasithanda iswelele. Ngiyasithanda iswelele. Yabona ke ayithime ngithanda njengeswelele ku Betway. Ngiyasithanda iswelele.
Yeah.
I like iswelele, I like Stellies, I like Gallants. Bangidlalela igame ngalendlela engifuna ukuthi especially mabedlala
uyalibona ibhola.
Hayi, ngiyakutshela, uyalibona ibhola. That's why bengithi kuwena iChippa angeke iye ku relegation. Ubona iChippa mayizodlala nePirates uyenzani? Ubona iChippa mayidlala nePirates uyenzani? So tomorrow on Sunday sizobona iStellies neGolden Arrows. I mean, yeah, it's Stellies neGolden Arrows. Stellies is they say players, key players.
They always do that.
Sihle Nduli uhambile. Boriners bahamba.
They always do that. They always do that.
And angazi manje kodwa khona la kulekha khona la kushoda khona
kuStellies.
Hey man. Manje ngicabanga usozoqala phansi manje ucoach uSteve Barker useqala phansi manje uyabuilda futhi. And futhi badlala neGolden Arrows ekwi-form kakhulu njengamanje.
Mina ngihlazi ngizibuza umbuzo wodwa ukuthi uBarker usithatha lesi stamina every season so build the players because every season players are based on best maybe about 4-3 they will be taken you know
bomthethwa wahamba ku Chiefs and he was very very good.
He was very good yeah so there are a lot of players but and then they will play against the Golden Arrows. Golden Arrows is highly motivated but they Sundowns
ngiyakhumbula
yeah and I was expecting that You know, I was expecting that because
Badlile ngo-1-0.
yes, uManqoba Mnqithi is one of the best coaches in South Africa. The only thing engayithanda, just like uCoach Nabi, is the beef that he has against the Kaizer Chiefs. uManqoba Mnqithi une-beef anayo Kaizer Chiefs. Maybe zabamqashe efuna ukusebenzela Kaizer Chiefs.
Yeah.
You never know. But then like without being said, uManqoba Mnqithi is one of the tactically umnandi. Uyakwazi ubuild the game and i-project yakhe ayiqalile kwi-Arrows njengamanje.
Yes.
It's coming very well.
Very well.
There's a structure. Bayakwazi ukukhava ibhola. Ama-second balls izinto zabo. Ama-second balls, that's how they won kwi-Sundowns. Ama-second balls,
yes.
yeah. And uManqoba Mnqithi uyabhilivela kakhulu-ke kwi-momentum. Ufuna ukulibona ibhola lidlalo. Uyabhilivela leyo nto kakhulu. But then-ke bayawamisisha ama-chances kakhulu. I-finishing yabo isikhathi esiningi
Basadinga ukusebenzela kuyona
kakhulu.
kakhulu.
Kuyona. Kula ngicabanga khona ukuthi uManqoba kufanele aqinise khona, angaqinise Kaizer Chiefs.
Oh.
Aqinise ku-finishing.
Yo, I like Stellies, Gallants, Siwelele. Those three. Hayi baba.
Yasha.
Bayishobisa,
Yasha.
bayenza ngempela ibhetho iweze egazini.
Yasha.
Right. Mhlasimpe ke usesivala ke.
Yes.
Athini nje amazwi akho okugcina nce.
Mina mfethu ngithi if abo chairman bethu i-premiership iqembu ngalinye lingenza sure ukuthi lisinikeza lithenga quality players, lina quality players, it's either from the youngsters, which is from Asidlali.
Yeah.
You look at those guys.
Diski challenge.
Yes. Take from those guys, give us quality. We can have the best tough league in the world. Because if you look at right now, we've got Sekhukhune, we've got Kaizer Chiefs. I'm talking about the teams that are promising. We've got Sundowns, we've got Pirates, we've got Stellies, already 5.
Yeah.
Can you imagine if we can add another 5 from those teams? Sorry, you've got Arrows as well. Arrows is very tough. You've got Durban City. That's
got
about 7.
AmaZulu.
You've got AmaZulu. But so like the list is endless. But then if bangenza kanjalo, then ileague yethu it can go somewhere. Then isho ukuthini leyo nto? Isho ukuthi if sikanjalo, then sawwazi ukudominate Africa. Yebo ngisho. Because sahamba with the toughest teams, siyohlasela Africa. Mase sifike Africa, sifike siyimisele khona, siwule ama trophies. Then lo kuzosiza kuzosiza bafana. Nje basibona manje Pirates neSundowns kwenzekile bafana. Because the Pirates last season was playing in Africa. ISundowns was playing in Africa. Look at Bafana right now. We're unstoppable. Everyone fears us in Africa, If you listen to the legends, African legends, abaningi abebedlala Europe, whenever they talk about South Africa, you can see that they're angry. I remember there's another guy, Nigerian guy, that was Nigerian striker. I forgot his name. He was talking about South Africa to say that South Africa didn't qualify. We helped them to qualify. You can see that the way we play, the way we do things, it's showing them inside, intrinsically,
Yeah.
That's what so now, which means the more there's something we're doing right in the league. We need more of that attitude, If we can do that,
Sesinqobile.
yeah.
Right. Injalo ke indaba, injalo. That is our Betway Premiership
Yes.
fixtures. Nopungane, Hadebe makhulukhulu.
Mthimkhulu. Ndebethe zombili.
Suka. Right. Ukaba kusoko wakajangase, and thank you so much for joining us here with Durban Network Sports Avenue. Do follow us on our socials. It is Durban Network on TikTok, Facebook, and YouTube. Now, from myself and the rest of the incredible team behind the scenes, it is a goodbye.
Ciao, man. Cheers.